Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Another quick project. My thermostat at home, upstairs thermostat, gave up on me and it's stuck on battery low. And I know I put fresh batteries in it and it's still doing that. Picked up a new one. I'll replace the old one with this thing. But before we do that, let me go through some troubleshooting. Make sure that you have fresh batteries. Batteries right here. Make sure that when you're doing that, let me go ahead and take off this cover as well. Make sure that it's on off position. Test your batteries. Anything below 1, replace it. Spent is 0.75. We got 1.5 right here. Pretty strong battery. Next, test your low voltage wires. Make sure you still got juice in them. That just snaps off. We were just testing the batteries. It was on DC. Put your multimeter on AC. You should read about between 12, 24, 25, something like that. Got 25. I'm good. So wire's good, battery's good. That means this thing has gone bad. Let's go ahead and replace it. I'm now down in my basement. There's my transformer. And here's the switch. Turn it off for safety. I know it's just low voltage, but it's best to turn it off. Hang tight, let's go back upstairs. I'm back upstairs. Let's test it. Make sure that we turned it off. That's nothing. I'm good to go. I got only 2 wires, but if you have more than 2, use the labels that came with the package, right? And in my case, it's pretty basic. W, white, and the red is right there. You got, I think that's RC and R. They're jumped anyway, so doesn't matter. So let me go ahead and take it off. That's one. Let's go. Here it is. Separate them. Mount this. There you go. Color coded. W and R and RC. As you could tell right there, it's already jumped. Mount it. Okay, here's a close-up. Too long, so let me go ahead and trim it a little bit. Alright, that's in. Red and white. All wired up, ready to go. Let's go ahead and mount this. Batteries not included. Install batteries. There it is. Make sure it's off. And also the proper your heating system. We have gas, so the toggle switch is on gas. Let's mount it. There it is. Transformer back on. Let's set it. Set time, it's 8:45. That is it. Other than repairing my wall right there, I'm good to go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.